recall today. It's that time of year. Got a little trane unit here, an old trane unit. Can't even see that model. Let's get in here. Let's see what we got going on here. So that's a system lock out there. Alright, so my heating board's got a flash code, 2 flashes, system lockout. It doesn't tell us a whole lot, but let's get reset. Nothing looks too out of the ordinary. I know I've got a heat call. This actually has a Jackson zone system on it, so we're running just a conventional type thermostat. Just verify our call. Common and W, we had 26 volts. So she should cycle on here, or try to. Good spark and no flame. See if she comes on. I'm going to verify that voltage at my gas valve. And then we'll lean towards that gas valve being bad. As long as it's getting voltage. I didn't smell the gas and I didn't hear it click. It's going to purge for 30 seconds or so and then it should try to light again. 25 volts. No gas. Alright. Well, we got voltage to the gas valve, nothing coming out, so let's get a manometer hooked up and verify we got some gas pressure. So it's Monday, and it's just gonna go this way this week, I guess. But my screw's stripped out. I can't get the damn thing out of there. So at this point, I'm just gonna, I verified, pulled my line here. I verified I got gas. I did actually hear that guy fire off. So I know I've got gas here. We're gonna have to tear these burners out of here and make sure I don't have anything obstructing, and then we'll try it again. Basically, I need to verify that I am or am not getting gas pressure out of here, and I have no way of doing that now because my plug's stripped out. So we're gonna verify no restrictions in my orifices. I didn't smell gas. You can usually smell the gas if it's actually putting out, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this gas valve is an issue, but we're gonna tear this apart first, see what we can find inside there. So we got her tore apart here. How well there's a little spider web in that one, but that's the last orifice. So unless I've got something here, I'm gonna still assume it's the gas valve, but we're gonna pull all of these and clean them out. There's no ball valve to shut the gas off either, so I'm 0 for 2 today. I might try a little harder to get that plug out of the gas valve, but it is not moving. So let's continue on. We're gonna verify everything's clean and then we'll try again. we got her all back together. Y'all do some of these trane units, 18-inch, 5/16, get you right in there to those screws pretty easy. This is a good thing to have. So we're gonna watch her try to fire up again. We got everything blown out. Flame sensor cleaned, all that good stuff. We had a good spark. And she won't fire off. I didn't find anything in those orifices, so I would not expect this to work. But we're gonna let her try just in case. Nope. So let's go see if we can't find us a gas valve. Gas valve in place, everything wired. Let's kick her back on and see what happens. We're gonna have to set our low and high fire. Keep in mind, I said earlier, this has got a conventional stat that's been put on it. This was on a control system. This is an LCI board for our communications. When you're going to a conventional stat, it has to be taken off of the communication link. So pull that wire and then you plug back into the RTR in. And then it allows it to, with a power cycle, it goes back and starts looking. It does not see the LCI, and it will operate off of the conventional stat. Valve's rated for 1.8, so that looks good. We'll let it kick into high fire and verify that gas pressure too, but just gonna call this one good now. We got heat, gas valve failed. Let me know what y'all think, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one.